Hello everyone, this is Gautami from Marvelsoft. In this video, I am going to explain you about how to send SMS messages to staffs and students in SchoolAdmin software. First, I am going to show how to configure the SMS message settings in SchoolAdmin software. Now I am going to show how to configure the SMS message settings. So, go to Options. Click on Settings. Here, select SMS Settings menu. Here, select the SMS type as HTTP and enter the gateway URL, post URL and the balance URL. And also enter the sender ID. I am entering here as msofv. And also enter the username and the password. Once you update all the necessary information in the SMS settings, then click on Update. Settings updated successfully message will be displayed here. For this SMS configuration, you should contact the SMS service provider. Once you configure the SMS module settings, check one SMS is going or not. Or now send one SMS and then do the balance check before and after. Now you can check the SMS credits counts here. Then click on balance check. Now the balance credits are showing here. Next I am going to show how to add contact numbers to staffs and students in SchoolAdmin software. Now I am going to show how to add mobile numbers or contact numbers to staffs and students to send a SMS. First go to Students menu. Click on Student Information. Click on Students menu. Select the class and also select the section and also select the particular student. That particular student name is displayed here. Now click on Edit button here. Then click on Address. Here you can edit the mobile number. Then click on Update. Now I am going to show how to add the contact number to the staffs. So, click on Admin Masters menu. Here, click on Staffs menu. It will take you to the Staff Details window. Select the staff type here. I am selecting the primary. Click on Find. Now the primary staff records are displayed here. Here, click on Edit button. Now go to Address Details. Here you can add the mobile number. Click on Update. Then close it. Next I am going to show how to add or import SMS templates in SchoolAdmin software. So first we have to download the SMS templates from the SMS provider portal. So now go to Google Chrome and open your SMS provider portal. Then click on Templates. Click here to download the templates. Now the SMS templates are downloaded. Now go to the SchoolAdmin software. Click on SMS and Email Alerts menu. Then click on SMS Templates. Here, now click on Add button to add the templates. Here, enter the template name. That template should be always approved by the SMS provider. So go to the SMS provider portal, copy the template name from here, paste it, and also select the message type. I'm selected here as general, and also copy the template message from the SMS provider portal. Paste here. Then click on add. Then close it. Here you can also add the bulk SMS and templates. Here you have an option called import to import the bulk SMS or templates. For that you have to download the templates format from your SMS provider portal, which I shown before. That file should be always in CSV format. So click on import option. Click on add button here. Here select the template format file where you have saved. Then click on open. Now the templates format file is added here. Now click on upload button. Then click on done. See, now the templates are imported. See, the campaign imported successfully message will be displayed here. And also it is shown how many total records uploaded and how many total records are imported. And close it. Once the SMS templates are imported successfully, now the SMS or templates are displaying in the SMS template window. Next, I am going to show how to send SMS to staffs and students in SchoolAdmin software. Go to SMS and email alerts menu. Click on Send SMS Messages. Here, select message delivery type as SMS and also select the message template type like general, holidays, fee dues, fee payments, greetings, etc. If you select general type messages will be displayed, or else if you select holiday type message will be displayed here. Now I am selecting here as general type messages. Now the general type messages are displayed here. Select the template. Here you cannot edit the messages, but if the message contains the variables, that must be filled. Here you have to click the Select Enter Manual Values checkbox. This is mandatory. Fill the variables. Fill the variables here. Enter the checkboxes here. If you are not filled the variables, that messages are not delivered. Here, select the message receivers type. I am selecting here as students. Then click on Next button. Here, select the class and also select the section. And also select the particular student to whom you want to send the message. See, that particular student details are displayed here. Click the checkbox here, then click on Send button. See, the message sent successfully message will be displayed here. Or else if you want to send to whole class, then click on Back button here. Now click on Reset option. Here select the class and also select the section. Then click on Find. Now the particular class students are displaying here. Now click on Select All. Then click on Send. Now the messages are sent successfully. Message will be displayed here. Now I am going to show how to send the SMS to staffs. So select the message delivery type as SMS and also select the message template type. I am selecting here as General. Select the template. As I told you before, you cannot edit the message, but the messages contain the variables that must be filled. Here you have to click the Select to Enter Manual Values checkbox. This is mandatory. If you are not fill the variables, that messages are not delivered. Fill the variables first. And check the checkboxes here. This also mandatory. And also select the message receiver's type here. I am selecting here as staffs. Now click on Next button. It will take you to the staff details window. Here you should select the staff type. I am selecting here as primary. The primary staffs are displaying here. Click here. Then click on Send button. Now the message sent successfully message will be displayed here. If the SMS has gone successfully, your SMS credit count will be decreased. You can always check in the SMS balance credits count. So go to Options, Settings. Here click on SMS Settings. Then click on Balance Check. See, the SMS credits are decreased here. Now you can view the received SMS in the mobile. Next I am going to show how to track the SMS message status. Once the SMS messages are sent, we can track the message status whether the messages are delivered or not. So go to Message Sent Status in the SMS and Email Alerts menu. Here we can check the delivery status, whether the messages are delivered or not. And also you can check here which type of message you have sent. And also you can see the date and time. If the delivery status is showing true to that particular mobile number, that messages are delivered. Or if it is showing error or invalid message or invalid request, that messages are not delivered. For more details regarding SMS configuration, contact Marvelsoft. Thanks for watching this video.